Hey guys, you made it back. Welcome to Thursday's lesson, whether you're doing it on Wednesday or you're doing it on Thursday. So we are going to continue talking about positive and negative numbers. This is going to be your practice day where you're practicing what you learned in the video. So this video will be pretty short. I just want to go through the slides with you just so if you're new, learn how to type in them and certain things. My second slide is always just a reminder for you to go back and watch the video. So in this slide, you are just going to fill in the number line correctly. So all you have to do is click and make sure you have that flashing line to make sure you type before you hit erase. If you do accidentally erase the box, just hit the back arrow, the box will come back. And then you can just type in it. You can erase the question mark and type in whatever, but I'm going to put the question mark back for you. So you're doing two different number lines. So please notice that there is a pattern with the number line that you can obviously tell that this would not be 1 and 2 for that to be 21. So for number lines, the pattern has to be the same. Each spacing has to be the same amount. Okay, on this slide, you're just doing true or false. You're just sliding these to the correct place. So you're just, is this statement true or is it false? And you put it in the category. Okay, understanding sea level. So this goes on to what we were talking about yesterday. So I want you to find a photo. You can't use the one that I did yesterday, but you find your own photo that helps you understand what below sea level and above sea level means. And then I want you to find 2 cities that are above sea level and 2 cities that are below sea level. Your choice of what cities. There's not really, well, there is a right or wrong if you pick an above one that's below and you put it in as above. Bonus points, not really bonus points, but if you write down what the actual level is. Okay, so then you're going to answer these questions. We talked about this chart yesterday in our Google Slides. And so you're just going to go through and answer these questions about the elevations. Okay, on this one, so the first thing you do on this one is, so the chart's still here to answer. This is just one question. It's not multiple questions. So it says, select all the numbers that could represent the city's elevation. Explain your reasoning. So I put this check mark here so that you can move the check mark. You can see, just like that, to put it beside the one. So it says that we are comparing Coachella, California. Which of these, a city has a higher elevation? So if we look at Coachella, it has a negative 22 elevation. Well, we know that a positive number would be a higher elevation. So you're just going to take that and you're going to put that right beside the 4 feet. But also you're going to do all numbers. So that's not the only one. Then you're going to explain to me, well, how do you know? What helped you? Like, how did you visualize? What were you thinking about why you picked your numbers that you picked on this one? Okay. Got to make sure I put it back because when I send it to you. Okay, so you are going to use this table to answer the questions on this slide. There was no way to make it where you could see to be able to do this. So on this one, you're looking at mountains and trenches, and I'm actually going to show you this that goes with that. Unfortunately, I'm going to link this. If you want to do this, it'll be on that slide, but you don't have to. It's just totally optional. So it wants you to put these. It shows you where all of these are. So, I took the numbers off. Oops. So I think A was Everest, if I remember right. Let me go back. Or not. Hold on. Let me go back real quick. It won't take me long. Actually, I can do it this way. Wait. But it's the same ones as on your slide, except for I took the letters off, so you won't be able to do this. Sorry if you get sick from moving so fast. I apologize. Okay, yeah, no, the letters are different. I might move, cut, and put these on there instead. Okay, so for example, it says A is Pikachu Mountain. In South America, it's 5,664 elevation would be A. So right here is South America, 5,600. So we can see right here it says 4 equals 4,000. So we would go, that would be 4, but it was 5,600 166, so it'd probably be somewhere in the middle. Okay, and this part is optional. You don't have to do this, and you can check to see if you're right. You can tell all those are wrong because I haven't moved them. But that's how that works. If you want to do this part of the activity, I'll leave that down there. If not, you can just answer these questions about the statuses here. And then the last slide you are going to do is rate yourself. How are you feeling? Are you lost? Are you struggling somewhat? Like you have a basic understanding, but you're struggling. Maybe you got the number line, but that's it. Are you starting to get it? Are you, you got this? Or you could teach it. So you just pick it up, move it, and drag it over here. Okay? Don't forget to hit the turn in button. And that is it for today. Hopefully that was easy and hopefully somewhat enjoyable. If you have any questions, remember Google Meet's out 1. Have a great day, guys. Bye.